Alright, this arrived in the mail today. A rear view camera to replace the one that had the fogged up lens on my car. And this one is advertised as having glass lenses. So let's see how long it lasts. So let's see what we have in the box. Alright. I like the way this one mounts too. So I got the cords, power cord, and this is all I really need, this part, because I already have those. And the manual. Alright. Specification. Lux. Minimum illumination, that's pretty low, which is nice. This one, I don't know which one. Say which one CMOS it is. Anyway, that's it. Let's put it in and see how it goes. I got it hooked up temporarily just to test it. You see it's lit up. Let me just check the display. And let's see. Well, maybe you can't see very well. And it is actually working. Just that it has a blue tape on the lens, so that's all right. Alright, this shows the mounted camera, how it bracket mounts behind the license plate, and the wire is going into the license light. I had to put a little notch in that plastic. This is inside the trunk lid, making up the connections to the cables that were already there. And you can see the picture pretty clear. At least right now it is. And that's the final installation. It's not the most streamlined look, but it's functional.